Hi, welcome back to part 3 of OCL. Let's say someone changes the requirements. All of a sudden the fruit can be in multiple bowls. So I have changed the cardinality of the in bowl property, but then we need to add a association object, an association class called fruit part in this case. And I also add a percentage property on it, so I know how much of the fruit that's in the fruit bowl. All of a sudden we have quite a different problem. We need to be able to calculate depending on how much of the total fruit that's in the fruit bowl. So fruit all instances, but we also have the link end. So if we watch the inner link name, so these are the names to the fruit part of the association. So we'll find that here, fruit part, okay, fruit part. So fruit all instances and fruit part. The percentage. So if we select this, we should see, okay, I have the fruit all instances, but since I changed the model, so all the data I had before is gone, so I need to update it. Okay, let's add a new attribute so that we know how much of the fruit is in bowls. Since the one fruit is 100%, it shouldn't be more than 100. So we have the fruit parts that this fruit takes part in, and the percentage of that, and we sum that together. Yeah, we need to reload the model. I had some changes, saving those. Okay, then I want to in the fruit, I want to assign a value to the percentage. I'm going to just use a random value to get some spread in my data. So this is an issue in the OCL editor that I will attend to. The percentage int 32 dot random. There should be a random operator, and the max value is 100, so anything between 0 and 100. I'm going to execute that on the glass bowl, and okay, and on the plastic bowl as well. Oh, I had a semicolon too much. Okay, so now we have some random value in the percentage in the fruit part, and we can make some use in the derivation of the weight of the contents of the fruit bowl, because this is currently not correct, just summing up the weights of the fruits. We need to consider the part of the fruit that we use. So we iterate over fruit part, the percentage, and we divide that by 100 to get a fraction, and we multiply it with, and now we can follow the single link back to fruit in bowl and get the weight of the whole fruit, like that. And we need to sum that up, but that will be a double, and we need an int 32, so we need first to convert it to a decimal because that's the highest precision, and then we can take it to an int 32, like that. Okay, so now we fix that one. Let's see how much is in the bowls. So, are there any bowls that... Oh, I should... There's two errors in this expression. This is not what I meant. I meant, first of all, this is spelled like wrong. But what the type is... Oh my god. Okay, that's the error. It was fruit bowl, it should have been fruit. Okay, how much is used in bowls? If it's larger than 100, then that fruit is overused. So we could warn about this in our application, of course. Now we have the weight of the contents as actually considering the percentage of the fruit that's in the bowl. Let's see. What's this then? Adding a new derived attribute on presentation. We grab the type name from the fruit that's in the single link fruit in bowl. Oh, that's not like that. With weight off, and same thing here, back to the single link fruit in bowl. Weight, but we want to multiply it by our percentage. How much did we use? Okay, let's do it like this. calculate the actual weight in a separate derived attribute. Fruit in bowl, weight times percentage divided by 100 to decimal. We need to go to decimal because there's the conversion to int32 is from decimal. Okay, it's the actual weight. Now we have that, and we can head back to the, yeah, we have an error in this expression, the presentation expression, because we can't just add a int32 to a string. We need to make it as a string. Okay. Like that. And back to the debugger. Reread the model. Let's check the fruit bowl hasn't changed. And that's because we haven't actually made use of the new presentation on the fruit part. We're gonna need to head back to fruit bowl. The fruit bowl in this one, fruit in bowl presentation. That's not correct. We should use the fruit part like that, but we need to say self in front of it, like so. And reloading the model. Now we can see that we have detailed information about what we actually have in the bowl. And since the weight of the contents now actually is calculated in the fruit part, or each the weight of each part is calculated, we might as well just sum those up to reduce the need for definition. And like that, doesn't change anything. So these are some examples on how you can use OCL to navigate your data, to calculate your data, to derive data, new information from your existing data. And there's loads of applications for this, and following these rules you can actually complete the whole software system only with business rules expressed in OCL. So hopefully you will check out some of our other videos to learn more about that. Thank you for watching this OCL introduction.